Hi there, welcome to my channel Profit Craft with Jonathan Peter here. In this video series, we will talk a lot about mindsets that you need before you get jump into your trades, whether it is in stock market, forex, even cryptos. The concept is universal and applicable to many markets. I will separate the explanation piece by piece so the information can be more digestible for you. That is why I created this series for this particular topic. In the series, I will not only explain about mindsets, but also give you actionable steps to improve your trading risk management skills. Maybe you already noticed that English is not my first tongue, and I consider myself cannot speak English fluently. So, in order for you to get the best out of its video series, I'm going to use voice generator so that you can get better listening experience. Okay, without further ado, let the voice generator take over and get jump to the lessons.
Alright. The voiceover signing in now, so let's discuss about what separates amateur trader and professional trader who really makes money from the market. Stop. You are giving away too much money to the market. Why? Let me tell you the reasons. There are two primary reasons why you might just giving away your hard-earned money to the market. Reason number one, trading has inherent risk. And many traders, especially not successful traders, do not want to accept it. One quick story to picture this is when you attend school reunion, neighborhood party, or barbecue party, usually everyone asks about what is it you do, right? And you answered, I am a trader. Then everyone be like, oh okay, you are crazy risky dude. Some others may ask whether trading is like gambling. The answer is yes. If you don't know what you do, you are literally a gambler. That is how society think about how risky trading is, and it's true. Trading associated with high risk by nature, the inherent risk. But, as professional trader, and yes, you want to be that professional trader, they don't think they are gambler, even they don't think they are a trader, but they accept the inherent risk of trading and they think they are a professional risk manager. See, the first reason why many traders just giving away their money to the market? It is because the amateur and even seasoned traders don't apply risk management into their trading system. They don't want to accept if they cannot be right all the time in trading. So, they don't do risk management. All they want is to prove that they are correct, to believe that their strategies will play out. Hence, understanding risk management is crucial. Risk management is not merely set your stop-loss order. There are metrics that we can use to make sure your risk management is correct and systemized. So, the first reason is always to remember to accept the risk of the trading, which means the way they trade always put risk management and trade management on top of their mind. Reason number two, inconsistency leads to rollercoaster result. Let me tell you one truth, many traders have great understanding about market, technical analysis, pattern recognition, fundamental analysis, and many other trading strategies, but there is gap between their knowledge and result. Have you ever found a trader which have very good winning trade percentage? Let's say from 10 trades he wins 7. Seems amazing, right? You may think you can get hefty amount of money into your pocket with that winning percentage. But that's not for most cases. There are traders who barely break even when they have high winning percentage. See what is going on here? The possible reason this happens once again because the inconsistency of their trade management and the risk management. I bet we all know that we must play the trade without emotions, but the fact is sometimes we let the emotions get the best out of us when we are in the trade. We just forget to set the stop, changing the stop while in the trade, exit the trade too early because of fear, and random with our risk management. Well, does this story sound familiar? Every trader at least has been experiencing this in their trading career. I've been there and you may too. Even sometimes I still lost my temper when trading and give back my profit from numerous last trades in one trade. Even though I know how important risk and trade management are, sometimes I find it so hard to always be consistent. It is a tough work. but I learned some simple and effective plans to make your trades more consistent. It makes you know what to do when certain things do happen. So, I hope the plans I give to you in this video series will address the inconsistency issue. So, to sum it all, risk management and trade management are always be the key factors to make you become professional trader who trades for a living. But, many traders discount it. It is not sexy topic to discuss like trading strategies, candlestick patterns recognition, and indicators setup. These topics easily become bestsellers for book, course, workshop, seminar, you name it, not like trading mindset, psychology, and risk management. Do not take it by mistake, trading strategy is crucial to be successful trader too. But, what really separates professional traders and amateur traders is how they manage their trades and risk. You can have top-notch high-probability winning strategy, but if you don't apply your trade and risk management in a disciplined way, you may not get the results that you expect to have. Because, you now know that lack of risk and trade management are the problems based on those two stories I told you earlier. So here we are going to discuss about what I know about how professional trader manage their trades and risk. There's a lot to learn here. My plan is to create video series about trading management, so that you can get full understanding about it, nothing left behind. So, I outline one primary goal for you as the viewer, which is to build the bridge between professional traders and amateur traders. If you still don't get the consistent result from your trading, literally you are not on the right track on your way to become top 10% trader who makes living only from the trading result. In order to become one of the top traders, you must know the main distinction about amateur and professional trader. You may get disappointed with my explanation, but from what I learned, the main difference is professional traders are more disciplined about how they execute their trading and risk management, which leads to consistent outcome in this uncertain market. So, the bottom line is, in order for you to become professional traders, you should become risk and trade management master. By being trade management master means you must be disciplined to follow your plan consistently. Now, how about you tell me if this sounds familiar to you? At this stage, you might be getting what are things that we will discuss throughout the video, and yes, that is the pathway many traders know paying attention to. The first two things you must do prepare so that you can get successful trading career are, risk management mastery is how you preserve your trading capital in this uncertain environment with unlimited moving parts called the market. Trade management mastery is how you manage your trade. It is more about your mental maturity to keep following your predetermined trading strategy no matter what happens with your trade. So, to help you mastering the risk and trade management, I divide the entire video series into two main parts. You can guess it, right? The first one is we are going to cover risk management. In the first part series, I hope this will give you fresh perspective about how you see and accept the trading risk. Not only we will talk about mindset thing, I give you steps on how to take trade in regards with risk management manner. I am going to cover the whole risk management trading system here. Even I give the risk management tier system for you to follow, so that you can try it yourself, racking up from the lower level to higher one in controlled consistent progression without greed takes into account. With each level up, you will see your trading result like a rising curve, and that is what we all want as a trader. On the second part of this video series, we are going to discuss about trade management mastery. Just like the first series, I always give you the mindset first, like the trading psychology in trade management. After we discuss it, we jump into applicable stuffs. I am going to explain some ways to manage your trade. Don't think that I give you complex trade management plan. The market already complicated, so why we complicate things further where the simple and easy to follow plan already effective, right? Also, I will give you my personal trade management plan which you can copy or modify it with your style. It is more complex yet still easy to follow. It will reduce my loss and optimize my trade even further, so I can get the best return from my trade. Throughout the video, I also give you some homework assignments, so that you can practice directly to your trade after you receive the information. If you just learn without doing, your new knowledge will be forgotten easily, right? Hey, already got some values from the intros? If you do, please like and share the videos. Don't forget to subscribe Profit Frats and click the notification bells too, so you won't miss the next video part in this awesome complex but simple lesson. Well, see you on the next video. Jonathan Peter in voiceover mode here, signing off. Have a good day.